clothes. So let me share the 3 main features of our washing machines to make your life easier. So one of my favorite features is the AI wash. So here we can see here. So
it's an actual feature. So normal, quick, and then AI.
So it's one of the cycles. So what I like about the AI wash is that it is built for intelligent laundry care. So it uses advanced sensors. So here we have 3 sensors: the wash load sensing, the water level sensing, and the fabric sensing.
Wow.
So when you put your clothes inside the washing machine, it will detect first the load of your clothes. And then next is the soil level. And then it will adjust the water and the detergent to optimize your cleaning.
That's
so
incredible.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Exactly. So you are not just washing, but you are washing